Hello everyone, this is Jerlene Mayatupan. I would like to report about my reflection on the ID model I used. The ID model I used is the Azure model, which is the short word for Analyze Learners, State Objectives, Select Media and Materials, Utilize Media and Materials, Require Learner Participation, and Evaluate and Revise. So for this, Azure model is helping the teacher or the learner to improve the design to fit the learner's needs. So there are three things that went well with my project using Azure model. One, that my students were able to reach their learning objectives, which are they were able to explain human impacts on the environment using concept mapping to ensure they learn the materials provided with at least 90% mastery. So 98% of my students were able to explain the human impacts, so that is really great. Number two, I was able to analyze my learners, what they need and their learning styles, and I was able to select the materials, the media materials, and utilize media materials properly, and require all learners to participate in the discussion. However, there are three things that I would have done differently using the model, which is I should have used Canvas platform or Blackboard instead of Google Classroom, since I cannot reorder my assignments and announcements from the beginning to the last task that I gave my students. And I would have let the students present in class, my team, and I would have revised some of those designs, and I would have given remediation to my students after their assessment scores. But I am confident that by using Azure model, I will be able to do more coursework and do more on my website about ID models. Thank you so much. Have a great day, everyone.